Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I apply or how I put on my hijab. I think a lot of you can also see like this is the most easiest hijab style, but I have been getting so many questions to film how I put on my hijab. Just so easy. It's just the most basic way how to do it. You can do it in 1 second. And also I have been getting so many questions on what I use. This here, guys, is what I use. I'm going to zoom in. So this is how it looks. I don't know if this is made for hijabs, but this is what I use. So I have my scarf like this. I folded my hijab one time because I don't like the end of the hijab or of the scarf is I don't like how it's like, yeah, how it looks. So I like to fold it. This side is just a little bit shorter than this side because I'm going to put this one to that side. Now how I tie it, I do this, like, yeah, this, put this together, then we have this, and I push this. This is how I do it. You can like put it in here. I do not always do that. So all I do is this. Let me do that a little bit slower. This. That's it. And then all I do, I take this piece and I bring it to the side. That's it. But maybe it looks different, I don't know. The scarf is from Arabian import. The cotton wool, I don't know if they still sell them. They sent me like 3 colors and these are just the best scarves in my opinion. I always get questions on what kind of fabric this is and I don't know what to tell them because it's the same name as other scarves. When I go to hijab stores, they have like the same name of the fabric, but if I look at the fabric itself, it is not the same. And this here, where I got this, so I can actually find this in every hijab store. Like my city, Nijmegen, has a store with these ties, but also like if you go to Amsterdam or Rotterdam, there are so many stores with like a lot of scarves and they always have these. So I just go random in stores and I just grab a few every time because I'm losing them every time. I don't know if you can order them online, probably. Maybe you can look up on AliExpress. It always has everything. But yeah, for me I would say just go to the store. I don't know about other countries of course, so yeah. And I have no idea how this is called. Sorry. So now I also answered all the questions about my hijab style and this little tie here. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful and thank you guys for watching and I will see you girls in my next video. Assalamu alaikum.